In today's class, we're going to be looking at GMPs, that is good manufacturing practice when it comes to skincare formulations, the rules that govern it and how to go about it and how to exhibit good manufacturing practice. So guys, let's go right here. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Folashade and you are welcome to my channel. This is where you get to learn how to formulate skincare products like a pro, either for a commercial purpose or for your own personal use. So today we will be talking about GMPs, that is good manufacturing practices. So there are a set of rules that governs how cosmetics formulations are made, so as to ensure finished products contains their specific quality requirements without human microbial or cross-contamination. So that is why you need to exhibit good manufacturing practice. What governs this good manufacturing practice? That is, good manufacturing practice includes your workspace. Your workspace must be specifically clean all the time. That is the number one good manufacturing practice. Your workspace, your environment where you want to make your product needs to be cleaned and dry all the time. So the number one thing you need to check when you want to formulate or when you're about formulating is a clean environment, clean workspace. Your workspace and should be cleaned all the time. Then another GMP includes air supply. Yes, the air around your workspace should be clean or must be clean. And how can that be possible? If you're using window blind or a curtain in that your workspace, make sure it's clean, and your window, make sure they are clean and free of dust. Yes, so that whenever hair is coming into your workspace, it will be a clean hair. So another thing to look out for in your workspace is your fan. If you are using fan around your workspace, your fan must be cleaned so that when the fan is blowing, it won't be blowing dust to your product, so it won't contaminate your formulations. If you are using air condition in your work area, your workspace, ensure that air con has a clean air filter. Avoid dusty open window. Avoid dusty curtains. Avoid dusting window blind. Make sure the environment is clean. So that is the second GMP when it comes to skincare formulation. Then the third GMP includes the water you're using. A lot of cosmetics formulation includes water, so basically you will be needing water in your formulation. So always ensures that your water supply is clean, and during your formulation or in your formulations, the only water you can use is distilled water or deionized water. I said that in a previous model. The water you can use to formulate your products is distilled or deionized water. So every other water you'll be using to clean up, to do some other things apart from formulations, ensures that they are clean and well placed. Then the fourth GMP include your storage area. So you always have your ingredients or material you are not able to use up each time. So the way you store them is very important. Make sure you store them in dry, clean area around your workspace. Make sure you are storing them properly in a airtight bag, cool area, and away from direct sunlight, so that when you are making another formulation with those ingredients, it will still be active and it will still be effective. So that is another good manufacturing practices. Then the last good manufacturing practice includes your equipment, your tools. Yes, I think I said it the last in our previous class. I said so that you should always make sure you sanitize and sterilize your equipment, your tools or your equipment that they use in making production. So you always make sure you sterilize them before and after use. Always make sure you sterilize them before and after use, so that you won't transfer germs to your formulation, make sure you put your isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol in a bottle, a spraying bottle, that you can easily spray your equipment, your tools from there, and your other things that you will be using for your formulations. So those are the good manufacturing practices you should exhibit when you are formulating your skincare products. And that will be all for this video. Make sure you exhibit a good manufacturing practice so that you won't be transferring germs or cross contaminations to your products, to your final products. All right guys, so that is it about good manufacturing practices. I'm going to be seeing you in my next class. Be safe. Bye.